All right, come along while I take a tour of 9243 Paxton Street. This is in Montgomery, Alabama. It's in the Jubilee subdivision, which is a Stone Martin subdivision over off of Raythornton Road and pretty close to the Wilson YMCA as well as Park Crossing High School. So the home that we're taking a look at today is it's the Sutherland floor plan over in Jubilee. And this home is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, roughly 3,100 square foot home. It is a 2-story layout. It's got a really, really spacious great room with a fireplace that flows right into an open kitchen with granite countertops and a really, really large island. Now, the dining area is accessible through a butler's pantry, so that makes it great for hosting. And then the primary suite is on the main level in this house. So that is a pretty big deal for buyers who don't want to go upstairs to sleep, or maybe you have some difficulty getting up the stairs, so that is very helpful that way. And then upstairs, you've got a bright loft, a really, really big bright loft, and flexible living spaces in the upper level. The upstairs layout also adds some privacy and options. So you're looking at maybe like a media room, home office, or a guest suite. And then as far as the outdoors are covered, it does have a covered front and back porch. And so not just one of those, but both of those are actually covered. And so this floor plan would probably be good for somebody who wants both space and separation. You know, the owners get the main level while everyone else gets the upstairs. So if you've got kids, or if you've got in-laws or just guests, you may want to have something where there is some separation. And then the open main level really does work for daily life. The upstairs gives flexibility as your needs change. And the downstairs just has a lot of space. And as far as the community of Jubilee, like I mentioned before, it's right off of Raythornton Road, not far from Wilson YMCA, not far from New Park High School, and it's not very far at all from the shops at EastChase. You've got easy interstate access, and then there are a couple other schools that are nearby. And all of this with a lot of the Stone Martin homes does come with a smart home feature, and so they all feature several different smart home options. But anyway, if you have any questions whatsoever about this home or any of the other homes in Jubilee or any other Stone Martin homes, feel free to give me a call. My information is down in the comments, and I'd love to help. Thanks.